This is Mindy. She's been at Jimmy Beans for almost 5 years, and last year she was diagnosed with breast cancer.
She's the glue that holds us all together.
Mindy defeated breast cancer, and we are so thankful because without her, we would absolutely 100% fall apart. But Mindy didn't do it alone, and so we decided that this October we wanted to give back to those that helped her make it through her illness, and we asked her who that was.
Breastcancer.org just really helped me out because I had to decipher so much new information, and the way it was laid out and the diagrams that it had, it just really spoke to me.
This year we created 2 booby beanies, one knit and one crochet. They're beautiful hats featuring a vegan pom-pom and are available in 2 different exclusive colors from Lorna's Laces. Each kit also includes a darning needle and a unique O-Snap bag from Namaste. $5 from every kit will be donated to breastcancer.org in order to support those diagnosed with breast cancer. So for Mindy, me, and all of us at Jimmy Beans, thank you so much for knitting and crocheting with us.